Hong Kong's top court overturned a journalist's conviction on Monday. It's a rare win for press freedom in the city after two major outlets, Apple Daily and Stand News, shut down since the Beijing-imposed national security law took effect. Deborah Wong tells us more.
Cheers and hugs all around for Bao Choy, an investigative journalist who on Monday won a last-ditch attempt to quash a conviction after the top court ruled that issues of falsity and knowledge were wrongly decided against her.
I'm very happy that we have a very crystal clear ruling this morning. It states very clearly that there is no reason to start from a starting point, that bona fide journalism should be excluded from the phase other matters related to traffic and transportation. The court also described this as a constructional choice for the sake of recognizing investigative journalism. And more importantly, it also states the importance of the constitutionally protected freedom of the press and of the speech. And I think that is the biggest significance of today's ruling.
In 2021, Choy was found guilty of deceiving the government by accessing vehicle registration records for journalistic purposes. Now, she had indicated in her online application that the information would be used for other traffic and transport-related issues. Choy had been trying to track down the perpetrators of a mob attack inside a train station during the 2019 social unrest for a documentary. Now, that attack made international headlines for what was seen as police inaction against the mob's assault on commuters, some of whom were protesters dressed in black. Choy's conviction, which came in the same year two major news outlets, Apple Daily and Stand News, shut down, had sparked anger over declining press freedom in the city. Now, since the Beijing-imposed national security law took effect in 2020, the once vocal media landscape in Hong Kong has quietened considerably. Veteran journalists like Jimmy Lai were arrested. A long-running satirical comic strip by political cartoonists was axed just this year, following months of complaints by Hong Kong authorities. The Hong Kong Journalists Association said in a statement that although it welcomes the ruling, it said that the case reflected the challenges the industry faces in the current climate. The association urged authorities to ensure that press freedom is protected. The government has so far maintained that press freedom is protected in the Hong Kong Basic Law. Deborah Wong, CNA, Hong Kong.